tree?
Tree what?
We're doing a tree. Am I taking him to a tree, show him shots?
You can do whatever you want. He just hasn't fought before, so it's okay. Time fighting.
All right.
You want me as a pedal for slow stuff, or you want to hit?
If you're cool with that, sure. Otherwise we could just use a tree.
Okay.
Well,
Whatever's easier.
you don't have all your gear because you're using it.
Yeah. All right.
Hey, Wilhelm. Wilhelm, you mind helping out?
You might guess.
Do you mind helping out with this?
Sure, we can go down that way.
Yeah, he hasn't fought before, so you need someone to fight with.
Oh, you want me?
Yeah, with Lars teaching.
Okay, okay. I'll catch you later, Fergus. Yeah.
Whenever you hit a stationary object, it's not like a person. Don't hit it hard because physics A acts on B, B acts on X, which means every bit of force you're putting inside a tree is coming back in your arm. Okay? So, basic stance. Feet about shoulder width apart. Left
Might
foot
be a
forward,
minute.
slightly.
Long time since you've been in
Slight
armor, or
bend.
first time in armor?
First.
First time?
Slight lean to your toes. So slight balance on your foot. Yep. All right. Shield. Think of this
I'll tell you what,
knuckle
why don't you fight Fergus for a bit,
basically
and
in
then
line with
keep
your
an eye.
nose.
And
What's
then,
that?
why don't you go ahead and fight
At
Fergus,
an angle.
and then just keep an eye for this
So
later.
if you want,
Sure, sure.
So when they get to the point where we need it.
Or just holler, or come and get me whenever.
go for a mountain.
Cool.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So this, that flat, a lot easier to see the whole head. The mountain and the edge makes it a lot harder. All right. This shield isn't greatly built for that, so just not answering. So something like that. Yeah. Maybe a little more edge on, a little more open, a little more edge on. Yep. All right. So sword. There are a bunch of ways we can do this. What I teach new people is to fight off the shoulder. And the reason I do that is it's less defensive. It will get you hit more. But what it will do is it will teach your body and your mind that this is for striking and this is for defending. A lot of people who start in a more defensive guard like this learn that this is for blocking the head and this is for blocking everything else. So when they throw shots, they get hit. They're widely open because their shield doesn't know to auto block, right? So this is a little bit of an investment, but it pays off way bigger down the line. Right. So first shot's called a flat snap. Ball to your toes. That's the next thing. You throw a shot. A couple things. Oh, actually the handle. So when you hold the sword, you hold it with these fingers, and these are loose. Right? The reason that is because you want control of this angle, right? And when you're tight, when you're tight, I have to bend my wrist to get deeper angles. Whereas if I'm loose, I'm here. The other thing is, if I am throwing at that nice mountain shape I told you, and I am straight flat, see how that gets blocked? So I want the hips to be higher than the rest of the sword, like this, right? And to do that, go loose. The next thing is, if I do that, and I'm not kind of tighten my hand on it, that's what happens to the angle of the sword. If I pull my hand on the sword, that's what happens. The second one is what you want to come to the surface, and snap it in. That'll make there's going to be a lot to cover here. Shoulder width apart, sword on your shoulder. Power starts on the ground, so it's a slight push from the ground, and kind of a wave-like motion up your body. Through your hips to turn this longitudinal force into a circular force, right? And you just basically drop your elbow, so your elbow's up here. Drop your elbow and fire the sword beams. Do this feel. So drop the elbow, fire, boom. And see that hilt higher than the blade. Hands here. Some people will say it's like serving a plate of soup. Nope. Nope. Don't. Down. Through this way. Almost like you're targeting over there somewhere. Nope. Okay, so next thing. When you grip the sword this way, right? Boom. These knuckles on the front of the blade. This joint here is the back of the blade. So when I throw, I'm essentially hitting you with these knuckles over here. If I throw with the back of the blade, I'm essentially hitting you with these knuckles over here. Okay, so think kind of. These knuckles, boom, to the target. So step a little closer as you're reaching. Better, yeah. No, that's nice. That's good form. It's too low. Step a little closer. Dip, dip. Shield down people's heads like you're swinging down here. You guys swing at people's heads. Yeah! Nice. Yeah. Good. Slow. Good. Good. Good.
No, they're both skipped.
All right, you have that down. Brandy asked new, so take everything like I am throwing a ton of spaghetti at the wall, right?
Yeah. I'm just trying to. Yeah, no, I'm not fine.
This is always up.
On vibe.
Yep, yep. This is always up, right? Now that's gonna suck on your shoulder, so I'm not gonna harp on it too much. It's a muscle no one is ever used to using until they do this, and it gets tiring and hard. Right? Yes, yes, you are. Okay, so offside head now. Same motion as far as the ball. The hips are backwards. So the hips drive in the motion of the shot. So as I am shooting on this side, my hips drive this way. If I am shooting on the other side, the offside, my hips drive the other direction. For the most part, there's shots that do other things, but let's just say that's a general rule. So, boom, boom. Now, the next thing you'll notice is, remember how I said drop the elbow? The elbow, this is all the same. This is always firing the shot. The elbow controls the attitude.
One more.
Right? So, to get over here, I want to drop the elbow. To get over here, I want to lift the elbow. Boom. So, lift the elbow. I like to lean a little too, but lift the elbow.
Left it wide open. Yeah, I just missed your stick and cut barbell.
A little closer. There you go. That's a wrap. Just throw it from there. There you go. So you're hitting a little flat. Hit straight from the head. Straight from the head. Don't worry about that first one yet. A little better. Another thing you can kind of do, because that was better, is almost push it against your head. Right? Like I'm pushing this sword against my head until it comes out. Too flat. So when you're coming here, you're okay. When you're coming this way, you're doing this and you're hitting almost with the like palm of your hand. More like this. Remember, it's those knuckles. Better. Too low over here. Go higher. Okay, next thing. This is not a touch, right? Your arm is only as long as your arm is, and the angle of being pushed through someone's head is not going to work that way. So what you want is not a touch where you're just pushing. You want a swing through. So, and I'll show you the difference on you. Here. Right. So stand and guard. Ready? Right. That's the difference. Big difference, right? Yeah. And that's what you want. Those first ones are going to be very easy. You'll call pretty much everything right now. But though that first one I hit you with it, the second one probably would have been as slow and light as we got. So, go ahead. Nope. Coming here. Coming back to your shoulder. Right? Just fire from the shoulder. Here. Boom. I know you're comfortable with that first shot. That's fine. Just keep it on the shoulder. Boom. That's good. Yeah. There you go. A little. Yeah. Not just like not through this way. Through this way. So remember to push your finger. No, you're just touching. That's okay. Good. Yeah, you could go slow, that's fine. I prefer it.
Yeah, if you ever want to throw, like, you have to go around and you throw out, like, throw the left and then that way. Instead of, never do that. Something is
That's a wrap. So it's a different shot. It's not a flat snap.
That way I'm not
You are. You're almost trying. Do you take martial arts?
I've studied this for like 6 months.
It almost looks like you're trying to ridge hand it in there. That's not. You're not. It's not a ridge hand, right? It's just remember those knuckles. It's all about the knuckles. So, in fact, in the next level, and I'll give you a peek at this because you're a very smart person. Beyond these basic mechanics, these are the basic starter mechanics. What it really comes down to though is the sword is a circle. Most of the time, the center of that circle is the hilt, and the length is the radius. There are times when that changes, but that's it. It's just a once in a while. So what you want to do is you want to just draw a circle. So I'm here, and I just make that sword into an arc segment. Right? That's all it is arc segments. And when I say do this or do this, this is the starting place. But in reality, it's move the hilt to a position and draw your circles. Move the hilt to a position, draw the circle.
Is the one I'm trying to do right now?
No, it was the other one. But so go back and touch. It's fine.
I've like gotten completely.
No, you're fine. Do that first one. No. Don't roll it over. Your palm should be looking at the sky. Yes. Yep. Palm sky. Yes. A little too much. On the side. You're here. You want to be here. Yes. Yep. Good. All right, other direction. It's the same thing. It's It's just backwards, but it's all the same. No, touch. A fire. A little better. Better. A little closer. You're reaching too much. No. You have a little bit too much downward motion and not enough across motion. Think of it less like this and more like this. Like it's just you tilt enough to get the angle you want, and then it's just straight. It's the same. That's what I meant by it's the same. It's just your arm comes out straight. Better, way better. Yes. Higher. You're getting tired, right? All right. Cool. Next one, real quick. So, get guard. So, put on a second to rest. We'll watch me for a minute. So, this one is this. Yes. That's the flat snap I was showing you, right? The leg is the same exact thing, except pull the hilt down here. Remember how I said it's a circle, you put the hilt where you want? So, right now I want the hilt here to fire at this hole. Boom. For your leg, I want the hilt here to fire at this hole. That's it. So, move the hilt. See how they're essentially the same?